BX-25 gear case. Should you buy it or not? I'll share my thoughts shortly. I'll open a set for you all to see right after packing this parcel. The last similar thing came out was during Beyblade Bros. The B68 Blader's soft case. Do you have it? I couldn't get one because by the time I started collecting Beyblades, it was already becoming obsolete. Share in the comments. Which other accessories should Takara Tomy consider adding to their Beyblade X lineup? This gear case is large. I need to find a dedicated box for it since I don't have the right one. I can't wait to see what's inside this gear case and figure out if it's useful or not. Okay, I'm going to open a set now, so that you guys can also have a look. To be honest, this product seems on the expensive side. Is it worth it to buy? If you're looking to use it practically, whether for storing your Beyblades or taking them to competitions, I don't think it is worth it. Let me finish opening it and you can judge it for yourself. I must say, this bag is indeed of excellent quality. So good that using it roughly would be a waste, considering the price. But of course, if you can afford it, this case should be reliable and durable. Let's take a look inside. There are slots for 8 Beyblades, and there are also 6 small holes on the side, clearly designed for bits, very thick sponge. This part is for the launcher and Bey Battle Pass, but the sponge might be a bit too thin. I don't have a Bey Battle Pass yet. I'll be waiting for it to fill up this case. So is it worth it to buy? No, if you only need a case to carry your Beyblades and accessories. You can find much cheaper alternatives. If you're asking whether I would keep one, my answer is probably yes though, purely for collection purposes. I somewhat regret not grabbing B68 when I had the opportunity. Oh, so here's the QR code. I'm going to keep it until it is time to scan it. So will you be getting one for yourself? Let me know in the comments. I have to admit though, there's a certain satisfaction in both opening and closing this case. If you're enjoying this video and haven't seen my unboxing of the highly anticipated Beyblade X set, the BX-23 Starter Phoenix Wing, make sure to check it out after finishing this one.